In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Joy-Cons not connecting to the Nintendo Switch 2. So the first thing you can do if your Joy-Cons are not connecting to the Nintendo Switch 2 is you can just detach them and just attach them again. Boom. That's one thing you can do. Another thing you can try is you can go to controllers. You can click on change grip and order, and then what we're going to do is boom, just pressing this button at the same time, and that's how you force to connect them to the Nintendo Switch. Then another thing what you can do, like here on the Joy-Con, right here you have a button, and if we hold them, we reset them. We reset the Joy-Cons. So you have the button here, you can see it's on. I'm just gonna turn it off. Press one time, then I'm holding them again, and we're resetting the Joy-Con. Then another thing you can try is to restart the Nintendo Switch 2. So how do you do that? Right here you have the power button, and just hold it for 3 seconds. So like 1, 2, 3. And then you get this sleep mode, power options. We're going to click on power options and we're going to click on restart. And yes guys, then the last thing, we can also try another thing. So the last one, if they really don't connect, then you go to system, scroll down, go to data clear options, and then you can click on restore factory settings. You're gonna click on next, and guys, this will be red, and you're gonna click on restore factory settings. This really is the last thing. Make sure guys, if you do this restore factory settings, when you restart the Nintendo Switch again, you will need to set it up. Like you will need to set up your whole Nintendo Switch 2, everything you will need to do again. So I'm not gonna do this right now, but this will be your last option. But then your Nintendo Switch 2 will be like new. So I hope you like the video, and this is how you fix the Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons not connecting to the Nintendo Switch 2.